In the name of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. There are several things about which we have an an opinion which is actually hurting us, which is actually demoralizing us, which is actually lowering our ambition to move forward, to develop, to make progress, to be a happy human being, to lead a happy life. There are several things like this one. There are several things like this one. And one such thing is that the people are bad, that the world is bad, that that the life is not that good, that the life is very, very, very difficult. I think this opinion, anybody and everybody who have an opinion like that about the life, about the world, about the people, I think these people are doing very bad with themselves and not with the other people. Although they don't have the awareness, the people who are thinking like this one, they don't they don't have the awareness, they don't have the information, they don't have the knowledge and the wisdom to be able to understand it. And had they keeping the wisdom and the knowledge to understand the destructive impact of the opinions like this one upon our life, upon our forward thrust, upon our ambitions, upon our agility, upon our ability to take initiative, about our desire to move forward, to develop, to become a happy person, to lead a very active life. I think all of these things are negatively, badly, and even severely affected by the negative opinion we have constructed about the life, about the people, about the world. We need to change. We need to change our thinking, and we need to think in such a way. We need to adopt an attitude. We need to adopt an attitude which can which can further motivate us, which can further inspire us, which can make us further more active, which can actually motivate us and inspire us to take even more initiatives about the different projects in the life. I'm not suggesting at all to drop all the cares, all the cautions you people are observing. Not at all, because doing this thing would be very injurious, will be very harmful, and will be very much counterproductive. So I'm not suggesting anything like that at all. I am not suggesting anything like that at all. But despite the fact that there are certain challenges, despite the fact that there are certain difficulties, despite all this, I do have to move forward. I do have to develop. I do have to make progress. I do have to lead a fuller life. I have to do the maximum I can. I have to do the maximum I can. I do have to enhance. I do have to develop my capability. I do have to deliver. I do have to take more and even more important things. I do have to develop my life, as well as I do have to develop for the betterment of the other people as well. Because the people who are great, because the people who are really good, they people are not working for themselves only, rather they do work for the other people as well. Because the working for the other people makes us great human being. Because working for the other people makes us great human being. So we do have to work for ourselves, as well as we do have to work for the betterment of the whole world, for the people, for the needy. We do have to make the life as beautiful as we can. We don't have to make it a dull life. We don't have to make it a useless life. Rather, we do have to make it a purposeful life, as purposeful as possible. As purposeful as possible. We need to become as active as we can. Rather, we need to activate ourselves further and even more further. We do have to avoid all those thoughts. We do have to avoid all those thoughts, these which are disempowering, and which does not empower us, because any thought, any opinion, whether about the people, whether about the word, about the life, if it is a negative one, then it is definitely a disempowering one. If at all, if it is a disempowering thought, disempowering opinion, then I think we are doing a kind of enmity with ourselves. We shouldn't be doing that at all. And we should think that despite the fact that there are difficulties in the life, despite the fact that the people, some of the people are dishonest as well, some of the people are crook as well, but the life as a whole is really great. But the world as a whole is really a very nice place to live at. That the people, despite the fact that certain people are not so cooperative, that the certain people are not acting in quite a responsible manner, despite all that, the people as a whole are really good and great. The people as a whole are really great, and I love them. I love them. Thank you. Jazakallah.